Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. This will be the first video of my channel about research methodology, or better to say advanced research methodology. So in the first video of about research methodology, I'm trying to make a video on research gap. Research gap is very much important in doing research, and it is very so much important for the beginners in the research area. Better to say in the scientific research area, it is very much important. So in this video, I'm going to talk about research gap. And in this video, I'm going to talk about what is research gap, how to identify research gap, and what are the different types of research gap. On these three top title, I'll discuss in this video. So first of all, what is research gap? The first step of conducting a research is identifying a previously unexplored area of research. Better to say unexplored or underexplored, means which is not explored fully, or we can say that which is not explored as much as required. And the second thing, I'll say that generally that unexplored and underexplored areas that have scope for further research are called as research gap. So what is research gap? Generally unexplored and underexplored areas in any topic of research that have scope for further research are called as a research gap. There will be one important thing to remind when identifying research gap is what will be the new contribution in existing scientific knowledge and how your research will be different from the previous exploration or from the previous research work or explored areas of research. So now I want to say way to identify research gap. There is only one way according to my knowledge. If I am wrong, please make me correct by your valuable comment. There is only way. What is the way? Literature review is the only way to find out research gap. Because to find out research gap, you need to find previously researched areas. And to find or to identify previously researched or explored, underexplored, not explored areas, unexplored areas, you need to go through literature. And by literature review, you can find research gap. And the most important thing is, what are the different types of research gap? There are several types of research gap. Here I want to mention 7 important types of research gap. The first one is evidence gap. Little or no evidence to address the research problem. Means when there is no evidence about the research, about a research problem, then this type of research gap is called as evidence gap. Means think that there is one area in Antarctica, and on that area ozone hole effect is not worked till now. If so, I'm not confirmed that such topic cannot be unexplored, but such type of things can be included as evidence gap. And the next one is, second one is knowledge gap. Knowledge may not exist in the actual field. It might be the case that the result of a study differs from what was expected. Such kind of research gap is called as knowledge gap. And the most important thing is methodology gap. A distinction in research methods is needed to have new insights or to avoid ambiguous findings. So such kind of methodological gap is very much important in research. And by identifying methodological research gap, the research methods is day by day improving. Otherwise, if there was no methodological gap, then the research methods becoming same from the past to the present and in the future. And the next one is fourth one is implication gap. When professional behavior or practices deviate from research findings or are not covered by the research, that is called implication gap. And the fifth one is empirical gap. Research findings need to be evaluated or empirically verified. This is called empirical gap. And the next and most important research gap is theoretical gap. Theory should be applied to certain research issues to generate new insights. Lack of theoretical knowledge may lead to a gap in research. And the last one is population gap. Type of research gap that deals with a population which is not adequately represented or under-researched in the prior research. These are the 7 important research gaps which I wanted to discuss in this video. So thank you for watching this video, and I want to request you please subscribe this channel to get more videos about research and geospatial analysis and different so many things. You can visit my channel and see what type of videos I am uploading day by day. And please like this video, share among your friends, and once again thank you.